this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can add music on your Canva video. So I've already opened a video just for the sake of this example. If you don't know how to do that, just go to the home section, just click on the plus icon. When you click on the plus icon, guys, just go ahead and search for videos, and this is going to appear here. When you search for videos, you can go ahead and pick an empty, so you can go ahead and use any of these templates if you want to. The welcome, this is an intro template. You can just go ahead and click on an empty one. For the sake of this video, guys, I have a video in my project, so let's go ahead and open it. So to add music on this video, as you can see, I want to add music on these 5-second videos. All I have to do is to click on the plus section. When you click on the plus section, guys, click on where it says upload. So look for where it says upload. So when you click on upload, guys, as you can see, you can upload videos, you can upload audios. So we want to upload audio, so let's go ahead and here click on upload, choose from file. So let's choose this and we'll upload. So wait for the video to upload. When it's done uploading, just go ahead and click on it. So when you click on it, guys, as you can see, the music has been added to my video. You can go ahead and sync the beats if you want to, but this is a pro version, so you can use this one. So if I should play this video, guys, as you can see, so this is how you can add audio or music to your video on Canva. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.